Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmad from Shexy.com and welcome in lecture number 1. Today we are going to start our new series which is JavaScript. So first of all, JavaScript is a lightweight programming language and Java is not the JavaScript. Make sure there is big difference between Java and JavaScript. Okay, you can use to make the web pages interactive, and also you can change the dynamically HTML content dynamically using JavaScript. Okay, यार ये okay वाला कार्ड देना. You can also use the events in JavaScript. For suppose if your user want to refresh your JavaScript, you can show the error that, oh, please fill all the forms or fill all the fields are required. Are you sure you want to leave this page like this? You can also get information about a user computer, for suppose your browser and other things. We will discuss about them, but for now you can also perform the calculations on user's computer. For suppose if you have a form, you can perform the form validations operation, or you can add the form validations rules to your application or your web pages. We will discuss about how can you use the JavaScript in your project, and what are the internal or external scripting. But for now, we are going to discuss about the tools. So what about the IDE? Which editor you are going to use, or which editor I'm going to use? I'm going to use the PHP Storm. PHP Storm is the best IDE for the web development. If you are using Notepad++, this is the Notepad++, or you are using the Sublime, this is the Sublime, it's totally depend upon you, or you can use any editor, it's totally depend upon you, but the syntax is same. So these are the prerequisite that you have to familiar with HTML and CSS, because we are going to use the HTML and CSS in this series. So that's why you have to familiar with them before starting this series. Okay, so how can you download and how can you install the PHP Storm? So as you can see, this is the PHP Storm. This is the editor, and you can also download the editor from JetBrains.com. JetBrains providing the best IDEs or the best tools for the web development. So as you can see, these are the tools they are using. Go to the tool, and this is the PHP Storm. Okay, you can click on this PHP Storm, and as you can see, they are giving 13 days free trial. So you can download 13 days free trial from the PHP Storm. If you are a teacher or you are a student, you can get the free license, 1 year free license from the JetBrains. So how can you do that? Just provide the identity related with your college or your university or your organizations. If you are a teacher or you're a student, so they will provide you the 1 year free license. So as you can see, I have already downloaded and I have already installed the PHP Storm in my Windows. So if you are a Mac user or you're a Linux user, you can download the version. Just click on the download now. So as you can see, I am just downloading the PHP Storm. You can also download the PHP Storm, and you can also install the PHP Storm. So as you can see, I have already downloaded and I have already installed the PHP Storm. So in this series, we are going to cover each and every JavaScript basic topics, so you can easily understand how can you use your JavaScript, how can you change your HTML dynamically. So thank you for watching.